Hope you like it. Bob Seger. She stood there bright as the sun on that California coast. He was a Midwestern boy on his own. She looked at him with no soft eyes, so innocent and blue. He knew right then he was too far from home. She took his hand and she led him along that golden beach. They watched the waves tumble over the sand. They drove for miles and miles up those twisting, turning roads. Higher and higher and higher they climbed. In those Hollywood nights, in those Hollywood hills, she was looking so right, and her diamonds and frills. Those big city nights, in those high rolling hills, above all the lights, she had all of the skills. He headed west cause he felt that a change would do him good. See some old friends, good for the soul. She had been born with a face that would let her get away. He saw that face and he lost all control. Day after day went on and on. And then came that morning he woke up alone. He spent all night staring down at the lights of LA, wondering if he could ever go home.